Hey people, how are you? Ads.txt. ads.txt. Every website now has to implement it. I noticed that people are charging big money to do it also, to actually do it for people. So obviously, and it's not a bit hard to do. So what I think I need to do is to make sure I go slow, because even if this is a long video, it's going to be worth it than selling or buying or paying someone to help you implement this. Now, okay, so Google's got under Ads Manager Help, just type in ads.txt files, and Google will give you the code, and you need to copy that code like that, and then drop that code there like that on your clipboard, and just check what size that is. The other ones, in fact, it's Verdana is the size, and so if it, it's, I don't think other fonts would matter, but that's what's worked for me. So as long as all the fonts are the same, got the code from Google. We have to put our pub in there, P-U-B. So I'll just move that out of the way for a sec. And just before I go any further, I'll just show you something else that you might be dealing with, is that your earnings are at risk. Once you get that, they are at risk. Your monetization will stop. So it is important to get this fixed up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, you have to go into Google Analytics and click on Settings, and then Account, and then click on Account Information, and you should get this. You should then get this screen here. I've changed the numbers on that for security reasons, but that's where you'll find your PUB, publisher ID. You need to grab those numbers, just copy, and then you paste them in there. Just see above, that's empty. You're going to put those numbers in there. So have you got that? Just also, just when you do put these code, just put it on your text editor. That's the best place to put it on a Mac, and same as Windows. Just the plain text, and that works well. What did I want to say? Okay, so now that you've seen that, I'm going to remove that, because we're not using that. That's the number we're going to use. Now what I've done, I've put some other companies also, because every company's doing it now. So if you've got affiliate marketing or whatever, they're all doing it. So we just make sure it's got reseller there. You're a reseller because you're a blog owner, publisher. And okay, got that? I'll move that out of the way for a sec. Just make sure all those codes are straight. Make sure nothing's underneath each other. So stretch that out as far as possible. You don't want, because when we drop it into the CPanel, it has to be exactly like that. Can't have reseller underneath or those numbers underneath. So make sure you stretch this out so these are all perfectly set up. Move that out of the way. Okay, log into CPanel. And once we're in CPanel, you need to look for, there it is there, could be down the bottom. Yeah, it's probably up there because I use it a lot. But if it's not, it's under files. And I'll start from there because that's where it'll probably be on yours. Okay, click on File Manager. Just move that over a bit so we're in screen. You may not get this. This may not open straight for you. This is open because I go in here a lot. Yours might look like this when you open it up. You got that? And you need to click on the web root. Click on that, the name of your website, and show hidden files. And then hit save. Okay. Move this back into screen. Can't get all that in. I'm going to have to move that up. And right. Click on public HTML. So I've got my ads text set up there, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, because I'm going to make another one, I'm just, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put that out of action for a sec. Don't you dare do this. Don't recommend anyone touching that. Okay. I'm just renaming that. So that's just to put it out of action. And it only been while I'm making this. So we're going to make an add text file. So to do that, you click on File. It's not a folder, it's a file. Click on File. Now, type in ads.txt. Click on that. Create new file. And as you can see, the CPanel will automatically pitch the T in. You can see that? Okay, next step. Right click on that and you can see code editor. Don't know why it goes white but when I click on it, but anyhow it does. Click on that, it's there, and then click on edit. Okay, so this is where this has got to go. All these. Just copy all that, like that. Pretty simple. Nothing high tech, and just paste it in there. Only trick is make sure they're all straight and none of them are interfering with each other, which this is not happening. And as you can see, it automatically took the gap out. See how there was a gap there between each one? It's automatically done that. So you got that? So there's the Google one up the top. If you're only using Google, that's all you need to put in. Hope you've got that. I think I've covered that right. So next step is save changes. And you can see success. And click close. Whatever you do, don't click arrows or anything like that. Everything has to be done properly in the CPanel. There's always a button that has to be clicked. There's no back and forward stuff in CPanel. So close it. And there is our ad text. Congratulations. Tonight at 7:34, pretty spot on, we made our ad text file. I hope this video has helped you, and share this with other people that you know that's struggling with this stuff, because I notice there's not many videos up at all, and the videos that are up are really bad. They're just shocker. So I believe I've helped you, and if I have, just give me a like. Also check out my new affiliate link below. You'll be a shocker. It's a beauty. You want to make lots of money? Click on that affiliate link below. I got a surprise for all my followers. Okay, now I'll let you go. Happy blogging, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye now.